Are you receiving a notification that a turn signal is out, or is your turn signal flashing rapidly? This means you have a bulb that needs replaced. Your light should be at a nice and steady pace, just like this. So the first thing we're going to do to replace this light is we're going to come over here and pop the hood on our Durango. And then when you come to the lever here, you're going to want to move this to the passenger side of the vehicle. You could see here that you just lift it this way. Since it is difficult to see down in the compartment where the bulbs will go, I will be showing you on this model here as well as actually installing it on the vehicle. So I will show you the views inside. Right here is where the turn signal goes. This is for a running light. It's like an LED light, and this is for the headlight. So from this angle, I'm going to show you right where the bulb is. It is the one with the green outlined fitting here. So this will actually turn counterclockwise to remove, and then the bulb should remove nice and easy. You do not want to touch these bulbs with your fingers when replacing them, and you could even use a cotton pair of gloves or a napkin or something just so that the oils from your fingers don't make the bulb too hot, because it will burn out. So here's the fixture. You can see it comes out very easy, and then it will turn in there. It goes clockwise to turn in there. And then another thing I want to show you is that when removing this or installing it, you'll see that there are 3 different tabs here. So 2 of them are the same size and one is a little bit larger. So you'll need to make sure that those 3 tabs are lined up. So down in the description, I will have links for these bulbs. They're 3157s. I will also have a link for the plastic housing that the bulb actually snaps into, because if the contacts in this are worn out or if they've gotten too hot, then you could have intermittent lights working. So if you replace your light and it's still not working and you didn't touch it, then you probably need to replace the fixture as well. Now I'll go ahead and take this bulb and I'm going to install it. And remember, when installing it, you're going to line up those tabs and turn it clockwise. Once your bulb is installed, you'll want to double check the housing to make sure that your bulb is flush against the housing so that no moisture or water can get inside there. If you found this video to be helpful, please be sure to hit that like and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.